Good day everyone. Today we will having a qualitative analysis of everyday chemical experiment. This is the vinegar or the C2H4O2. The next one is the iodine or the betadine. And this is the ammonia or NH3. Our water or our H2O. The sugar or C12H22O11. Our chalk or the CaCO3. The next one is the cornstarch or the amylopectin or amylose. The baking soda or NaHCO3. And this one is our salt or NaCl. At this moment, we will have a mixture of water and sugar. Okay, the sugar dissolved in the water. Next, the chalk and the mixture of water. Okay, the chalk dissolved in the water and produced a white precipitate. The next one is the cornstarch and the water mixture. The result of the cornstarch and water produced a white precipitate, and that the cornstarch dissolved in the water. There is the difference between chalk and the cornstarch because chalk is not totally a white, but there's a gray precipitation. The next one is the baking soda and the water mixture. The baking soda and the water reduce white precipitate in a crystalline result. The last one is the mixture of water in the salt. In this mixture, the salt dissolved in the water, but there is no precipitation formed. And now let's witness the mixture of ammonia and sugar. the result of the ammonia and the white sugar, the white sugar not dissolved in the ammonia, and it cannot form a precipitation, any kind of precipitation. The next one is the chalk and the ammonia. Chalk can dissolve in the ammonia and it can produce a light gray precipitation. The next one is the cornstarch and the ammonia. Now as you can see, ammonia and cornstarch mixture produce a white precipitate. And now let's witness the mixture of baking soda and ammonia. In this mixture, ammonia and baking soda, the baking soda becomes a solid one. The next mixture is the salt and the ammonia. And now let's witness the mixture of white sugar and vinegar. In this mixture, white sugar dissolved in the vinegar. The next one is the chalk and vinegar mixture. In this mixture, chalk can dissolve in the vinegar, and there is a light gray color formed. The next one is the mixture of cornstarch and vinegar. Cornstarch and vinegar mixture, the cornstarch dissolved in the vinegar and a white color formed. And now let's try the mixture of baking soda and the vinegar. Wow, there's a reaction. Baking soda and the vinegar produce a bubble reaction. Look at this. The next one is the mixture of salt and vinegar. Let's watch this. In this mixture, salt and vinegar There's no reaction, but salt can dissolve in the vinegar, but it will take a long time. And now, let's witness the mixture of iodine and white sugar. In this mixture, white sugar and iodine, the white sugar dissolved in the iodine, it will form a bubble reaction. The next one is the chalk and iodine. Let's watch this. In this mixture, chalk and iodine, the chalk will become melted when you mix it with iodine. The next one is the cornstarch and the iodine. In this mixture, it will form color black, the mixture of cornstarch and iodine. The next mixture is the baking soda and the iodine. In this mixture, the color of this mixture will become a red, and the baking soda will become melted when you mix it with iodine. The next mixture is the salt and iodine. In this mixture, salt and iodine having a reaction. As you can see in this mixture, the salt will become melted and the color will change. It will become a black one or a dark one.